Want to boost your savings without feeling deprived? It's easier than you think. Today, we're sharing simple yet powerful strategies to help you save money effortlessly and build a brighter financial future. Greeting, finance freedom fighters. Today, we're diving into effortless ways to boost your savings and show you how doable it is to win at the saving game. Ready to get inspired? Let's jump in. Tip number 1, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save is to automate it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account into your saving account each month. Even small amounts add up over time. Think of it as paying yourself first. This removes the temptation to spend money you intended to save and makes saving effortless. You see, if we're to start small, you can set up a $50 weekly transfer into your savings account on payday. By the end of the year, you will have saved $2,600 without even thinking about it. Now, imagine the power of saving one entire paycheck between you and your partner for a year. The possibilities are endless. Example number 2. We can always elevate your morning routine and supercharge your savings. Instead of buying coffee, bring your own fancy coffee sachet. Every time you skip the coffee shop, the money you've saved can be rounded up and transferred into your saving account. Not only do you get to enjoy your favorite brew at home or work, but you also watch your saving grow effortlessly. Small changes, big impact. Hey, if you're excited about this tip, give this video a big thumb up. Tip number 2, track your spending. Knowing where your money goes is crucial. Keep a spending diary for a month to track every expense. This helps you spot patterns and areas where you can cut back. With this awareness, you can make mindful choices about where to reduce expenses without feeling deprived. You can use a notebook or an app to log every purchase, no matter how small. At the end of the month, review and categorize your expenses. Do you really need that extra pair of shoes or those daily lattes? And then you can also create a weekly review meeting with yourself every Sunday. Spend 15 minutes going over your tracker and see where your money went. It's an empowering habit that can lead to smarter spending choices. If you find these tips helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and thumb up icon so you don't miss out on more ways to boost your saving and achieve financial freedom. Tip number 3, embrace the 3-day rule. Turn impulse buying into a saving adventure with the 3-day rule. Before purchasing anything non-essential, wait 3 days and see if you still want it. Often, the thrill of buying fades, and you'll be happy you saved the money. This playful habit can keep impulse spending at bay and boost your saving. You see, every time when you spot a tempting gadget online, instead of clicking the buy now, add it to your wish list and revisit it 3 days later. Chances are the excitement would have diminished. And turn it into a fun challenge. Each time you successfully avoid an impulse buy, after 3 days, reward yourself with a sticker on a saving chart. Collect enough stickers and transfer a small amount into your saving account. Watch your saving grow while you build good spending habits you truly value, like the deposit for your own home or an investment. Tip number 4, fun alternative to spending. Use cash instead of cards. Transform your discretionary spending by using cash instead of cards. Withdraw a set amount of cash for weekly expenses like dining out or entertainment. When the cash is gone, your spending stops, helping you avoid overspending and stick to your budget. Each week, place $30 in an envelope labeled Fun Money. Once it's empty, get creative and find free activities to enjoy until the next week. You'll be amazed at the exciting alternatives you discovered. Alternatively, instead of spending that money weekly, save it up. By the end of the month, you will have $120 for something more substantial and meaningful. Another way of doing it? Make it a family challenge. Everyone in the household sets aside their weekly cash allowance amount. At the end of the month, combine the saved amount for a fun family event or a special purchase everyone can enjoy. It turns small savings into a big monthly reward. Find this tip helpful? Smash that like button and let's save smarter together. Tip number 5, make saving a game. Turn saving into an exciting challenge. Try no-spend days or weeks and reward yourself by hitting saving milestone. You can also join savings challenges with friends or family. Celebrating small wins keep you motivated and makes saving a blast. You see, you can create a colorful no-spend calendar challenge. Mark each no-spend day with a fun sticker on icon. Aim for 10 stickers each month to start with. When you hit your goal, reward yourself with a no-cost treat like a movie night at home or a relaxing bubble bath. Why not start a saving buddy system? Pair up with a friend and set mutual savings target. Check in with each other weekly. Celebrate your milestones together with exciting, budget-friendly activities like a fun hike, a picnic in a park, or a homemade pizza night. Tip number 6. Cut down on subscription services. Review your subscriptions and identify ones you can live without. Cancel unused membership and streaming services. Redirect that money into your savings. You'll be surprised how much you can save by trimming these often forgotten monthly costs. You see, simply making a list of all your current subscriptions. Cancel any that you haven't used in the last month. Even small savings add up. Choose one subscription to pause each month and see if you miss it. If you don't, cancel it permanently. Redirect the subscription fee into your savings account. Tip number 7. Save windfalls and bonuses for your big financial goals. Whenever you receive extra money, like a bonus, wage increase, or a tax refund, save it for your big goal that will secure your future finances instead of spending any of it. This supercharges your savings without affecting your regular budget. Treat windfalls as golden opportunities to boost your saving and secure your financial future. Set a rule. Save 100% of any windfall into a special big goal account. This way, you are directly investing into your future every time you receive unexpected income. And create a windfall jar or a digital saving account where every bit of unexpected income goes. Watch it grow over time and use it for significant financial goals like a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or your retirement fund. Find these tips helpful? Hit that like button and start saving smarter. Excited for more? Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll dive into strategies for budgeting for fun and experiences without breaking the bank. Now, for the exciting part, my money hero. This week, choose at least 3 of these saving strategies and put them into practice. Whether it is automating your savings, tracking your spending, or embracing the 3-day rule, that integrating these tips, pay attention to how these changes positively impact your financial health and how easy it becomes to build your saving. You will discover that saving money doesn't have to be hard. You've got this. Hey, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on more awesome tips and tricks to help your savings grow. Let's save together. Many people find success in saving by automating their savings, tracking their expenses, and making saving a fun challenge. These small, consistent actions can lead to big impacts on your financial stability. Believe in your ability to build your saving one step at a time. Before we part away, here's a snippet of laughter to keep you smiling. Why did the math book look so sad? Because it had too many problems. Remember, every small saving actions you take today builds a bigger, brighter financial future. Stick to these simple strategies and watch your saving grow effortlessly. Until next time, keep saving smart and stay motivated. Bye for now.